cook today for tomorrow, right? And we got some ribs, black-eyed peas, rice, some spinach, and we got some baked macaroni and cheese. Yes, Lord, a delicious, wonderful dinner. So let me show y'all how I cook these ribs. Let's get into this video. Okay, everyone, this is my rib that I am about to cook in my crock pot. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So this is my crock pot. And what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to get some heat inside of my crock pot. And I'm gonna put this on for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, let me turn this crock pot on. Mode is on low. Okay, so we're gonna get it warmed up, put the lid on it so it can get some heat up in there, okay? That's the first step after you done cleaned your ribs up, okay? Turn your crock pot on, put it on low, and let it start to warm up, okay? Okay, so the next step is to season your ribs. Now you can season your rib however you like it. But make sure you get good coverage on it, okay? I'm making my own rib rub at home. I don't have a store-bought rib rub, okay? Now we're going to use some seasoning salt. Next, I'm going in with some cumin. We're gonna go in with some mustard powder. We got some onion powder. To have some garlic powder. And garlic powder, you can use as much as that as you like, because ain't no salt in there. Okay, we're gonna use some paprika. Paprika, you use smoked paprika, you know that is the one that has flavor. But if you got some regular paprika, go ahead and use it, because that's gonna help with the color, okay? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and put my ribs in my crock pot, because I allowed to get some heat in it, okay? I got the top off. Now I want you to see the way that I break up these ribs. I'm cooking these and I'm gonna go to work. And I'm gonna let these cook while I'm at work, okay? Okay, see that's the back side. And you wanna break, hold on. Okay, this is the meat side. We want the meat side facing the ceramic, like so. And press up against the ceramic. Okay. Out of the back, in the back, I cut some of it off, but it's gonna render down, okay? So you don't have to worry about too much. Just score the membrane in the back. That's what I did. I'm gonna put the lid on here. And we're gonna let this cook for 2 hours and 30 minutes on low. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 2 hours and 30 minutes. Woo. steam, y'all. Steam. Okay, y'all see all that fat and gunk that rendered off of our ribs? I'm about to take this and pour it out of my crock pot, okay? This is the fat and the gunk that came out of the inside of the crock pot that rendered off of my ribs. Okay, so now we're gonna pour some barbecue sauce on these crock pot ribs. Like this. And that's gonna slide down on the ribs, y'all. Okay. And we are going to put this top back in here on the top of our ribs in the crock pot. Hold on, y'all. I gotta put this on high. Okay. It's already on high. We're gonna put it in there for 1 hour. And we're gonna let these ribs cook for 1 more hour on high in our crock pot. Out of the crock pot. They look good already. But we gotta put them in the oven under our 500 degrees, okay? But let me add a little bit more barbecue sauce. Use whatever barbecue sauce you like. I'm gonna show you the kind that I'm using. And this is the kind I'm using. Famous Days. And it tastes good, so I'm gonna give it a thumbs up, okay? Just brush it on. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm not gonna give you a time because everybody's oven temperature is different, but put it at 500 degrees. And when it looks good, that's when you take it out because they really already done. Okay? All right. So I'll be back once I get these out of the oven at 500 degrees. And no, you do not need to put foil on. Okay, everybody. So these are my ribs. I got them out of the oven. They look good to me. Yeah, they look good to me. And remember, I put them in the oven up 500 degrees. Look at that beautiful color. Look at that. Beautiful color on those ribs. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. So, I hope you guys try some crock pot ribs. And also, I got my black eyed peas going in the back for New Year's. And that's what we have. And also some rice. So, peace. Y'all have a beautiful and blessed day.